Hi, Dad. Good afternoon.
Hi, honey. Hold on. You gave me the impression you haven't been given results last term and that I and your mom shouldn't be worried about that.
Yeah, Dad. We've not been given our results.
No, don't you know I now have everything about your profile in school, including your attendance with the help of the School Management Automated System.
School Management Automated System?
If truly Albert Einstein fit develop just one equation, the design will lead to the first rocket bomb, then technology go be that. Now it make with the advice now to embrace the school management automated system, because now another bungo product of technology for university, polytechnics, colleges, secondary school and primary schools. For more information, visit www.schoolmanagementpro.com. 0803 197 7935 and 0703 453 4116. Again, 0803 197 7935 and 0703 453 4116.
You fit also visit us for our office, number 15 Ebony Road, off Rumola Road, Port Harcourt.
School Management Automated System, the number one solution where your school needs.
Good day. It is great and wonderful for you to find your way to our award-winning school automated management system. I am Joshua Johnson to take you through a demonstration of this school automated management system. Our school automated management system, it is one robust system that has been fully coded to handle all administrative activities of the university as well as the primary and secondary school administrative activities. So it is designed in two versions. So to quickly run through a demonstration, I would like to quickly take you straight to our demonstration hit button. So take our cursor and hit on the demo button here to take us to our demo page. Right down on our demo page, you'll find out that we've already given out some preset parameters here. Like if you want to log in already, you have an admin username and password as admin. If you are logging in as a student username, you can log in with a student identity number of U 2009 56 20 002 and password EK. If you're logging in as a post-UME student, you can also log in with a post-UME identity that is peculiar to that student and his password Johnson. If you're logging in as a lecturer of the university, you can log in as Joshua and password as Johnson. If you're logging in as a library admin user, we have the library admin and password library admin. If you're logging in as an association admin of a given university, assuming we have an association called KGuide, so you can log in with KGuide and password KGuide. If you have an account admin username that manages the financial account status of the university, which we've already have a preset parameter here as Amadi and password Amadi. But we want to take you through the entire process so that you get familiar with our school automated management system, so you see how user-friendly it is and how it can really allow you to integrate to any existing school, allowing you to digitalize their already existing data and setting up the school right from scratch. That's what we'll be taking you through. So let's quickly go through the university demonstration system. So we hit on the university demo system. All that you'll be finding here, or we're doing everything from the scratch. So let's assume that we have only got to learn about our administrative access, which is admin. So I hit on our login button for you to see the interface. And of course, this is the front page interface of our school management system, which you can always tweak to become what you want it to be. Of course, if you look at our top menu, we have our home, we have our association forum, we have our students forum, we have our admission list, you have your NYC list, you have your post-CME list, and of course the login. And please also note that this is just the front page of our management system, which you can always link to your already existing university website, which could be a CMS of any kind here. You can always link it up and all your activities will be managed from this school automated system. So let's get down to business. I hit on my login button now. It takes me to the login options I have. Of course, on my login, I have here my username. Let me wipe it. My user ID. I'm also expected to have my password there. The several user categories we have the student login category, we have the post-UME login category, we have the login category of lecturer, we have the login category of an admin, we have the login category of an association admin, we have the login category of an account admin, we have the login category of a library admin. Of course, if you forget your password details, you can always hit your forgot password to get back. So I'm logging in as an administrator, you're logging in as an administrator. So pick the administrative or the admin login category. Already we've said that admin login ID is admin, small letter, and our password remains admin. Okay, I already had it there, so I just type admin. Of course, you hit your login button. It's loading, good. So we've launched into the dashboard. This is now the dashboard of our award-winning automated school management system. On the dashboard, you can quickly find the calendar. You can quickly get to learn about the voucher logs that has been used. If voucher were sold out or generated for use and viewing results, you can find them here. You can also get to learn about your the user login details that has logged in into the dashboard. You can get to see the voucher status, those that have been enabled and that which has not been enabled. You can also get to find about forum status. You could get to learn about how many categories that has been created on your forum for students to use. You can learn about the topics that are in that forum. You can learn about how many comment has been dropped by students or how many replies has been made. You can also get to learn about students that are being managed from the automated management system. Of course, this is our support ticket. From the support ticket, you can get to learn about how many ticket has been opened, how many students have used the platform to request for support for issues they may be having, they may be requesting the admin to treat for them. That is all that you get to learn about from these ticket status pane here. Of course, if you scroll down, you get to learn about the account statement of the entire school. You get to learn about school fee payment that has been made and what the account status for school fees is. You get to learn about the association member statistics. You get to learn about how many association you have in your school and how many student or members they have, which are already registered from the platform and recognized by the school management system. So let's launch the business. If you look at our top menu, we have several collection of menu categories here. Running through the categories, we have our create category, we have our upload category, we have a set category, we have our messages, we have our view category, we have our post UME category, we have our preferences, and of course the log menu. Each of these category also have their sub items under them. Of course, from the word create, it lets you understand that this is basically the foundation where you get everything set out for your new school. So assuming you've secured a deal to set up a new university, of course all your activities will begin from the create system here, from the create button. From your create here, several schools in the Nigerian university run the college system, where under the college system they have the faculty. Under the faculty they now have several departments. We can always create admin for either of these categories. You now have courses that you will now create for each level, each faculty, each colleges. You will get to see all of that. We'll now create lecturers details, which they can now log in as lecturers and drop in timetables and their course materials as well. You can now talk about accounts. We have several accounts managed by the school. It could be association accounts. It could also be school fees account. It is the account admin that set out the required school fees that should be paid by each school, and is the account admin that clears the entire account details. So we have sections. In the creation of section, each year you create what school section each student has been upgraded to, or what school section the school is presently running. We have the U9, you have the U210, you have the U211, 212, 213. So the part of section, assuming you've secured a deal with a university that has never digitalized the system, you will definitely get to learn about their physical files they already have that will allow you to set up a section that will cover the already existing files if you have to digitalize everything and bring them online. So you, of course, you have to go to the archives and get to learn about what section they want you to bring to records online. So that is then you start creating a section. Of course, when we get down there, you get to learn about how we are going to do all of that. We'll get to learn about association, creating association, assigning association admin, as well as assigning the president, the respective executive members of the association. You get to see all of that when we get to association. Vouchers, we'll learn about how we can create vouchers of several amount and denomination, and activating vouchers. We also learn about forum categories, creating several forum categories that allow students to participate or drop comments and collaborate with themselves. Then we'll get to learn about payments, how to create payments and what payment has been done. Then we'll get down to upload category. Upload category, just like the name implies, upload. Once your system has been fully set up, you want to populate the system with course outline of individual courses, course description, and course content. Of course, this is where we'll get it done. We'll talk about new students. You've just admitted new student to the school, and you want to populate the new student's identity on the platform, so that once the student log in for the first time, they can use their identity that has been assigned to them, log in, and fill up other profile details for themselves. You also want to upload a new admission list that has been processed from the school administrative office and published for the public, and you want to bring it back to the system here so that the public can always view it, and from the admission list you can now populate your new students. You also see that if you also process your NYSE list, you also want to publish it so that from the public end people can view the entire list that has been published. We can also get it done from the upload here. When we get to practice, you'll get to learn about all of these. Also have the graduate list. As this year is rounded out, you've already processed your qualified graduating student and you want to publish the list for the public. You get to see how to upload it here, assuming there are further details that they would want to supply to process their graduation processes. You can get it done here. You can also get to see if students have already done some payments offline and you want to upload the status of the payment to individual students that you already have on the database. We'll also get to see it here. Of course, we get down to our set category. Our set category helps us to get to learn about the credit loads, get to learn about grades, get to learn about your library admin. This has to do with some technical part. You get to set your GTP interface as well as your SMS API that will allow for SMS notification to your users, and from the set page you can enable or disable any generated voucher batches. Then we get to message. Of course, our message is all about notification. You get to learn about how to drop message to your students, to your lecturers, that they can view. If you want to drop a global notification message to them, that such that if they log in, they get to see whatever announcement you have for them. It will get it all done from the message here. Then the view helps you to get to view your profile details, as well as the lecturer's profile details, student details, ticket details, and used vouchers and vouchers usage status. You get to learn about the post UME category. Under the post UME category, that is where you talk about the courses that are available to be written on the post UME. You upload the post UME list of students who have been processed by the university. You also set the student's ID default. We'll get to see the student ID default and what this will help you do. Also get to learn about how to populate new students who should be authenticated by the system to allow them to take our CBT test or get a platform for them to supply us further details that will allow us to set up the offline CBT and testing system for them, so that we check through them for the analysis for them to write the post UME. They will get about the post notice for them. We'll also upload their results. You'll see students profile, we'll see the online test. The online test is basically for practice section. Of course, all post UME tests are always offline computer based testing systems, so that is where you have upload results. So once they are done with their offline testing, which is the actual testing which will be conducted by the school internally, we will now correlate the results and upload it to make it public online. Now we'll get down to preferences. The preferences has to do with your password, your school logo, your team color, and all that. Then you sign up. So let's get down to business. let's now use our first menu item, which is our create button.
The School Management Automated System. The School Management Automated System. Albert Einstein formulated a world-changing equation. The E equals MC squared. That was a product of technology. Your school will be millennium years ahead if you have the School Management Automated System, which is a product of the 21st century technology, carefully coded with high artificial intelligence to meet the growing need of universities, polytechnics, colleges, secondary and primary schools. For more information, visit www.schoolmanagementpro.com or call 0803-197-7935 or 0703-453-4116. Again, 0803-197-7935 or 0703-453-4116.
Also visit our office at number 15 Ebony Road off Rumola Road, Port Harcourt.
Join the global world of schools that are currently enjoying the School Management Automated System. The School Management Automated System to remain relevant in the industry.